This trick is called Bird Over the Valley, and it looks like this. So just like that. To do the Bird Over the Valley is you have to place it on Bird, Nightingale, and Spike. So this is a really intermediate trick to do. I know a lot of intermediate players Kendama players are gonna watch this video as much as possible. So this video is made by Corey Hendon from LearnKendama.com. So he taught me how to do it. So this is how you do it. You stuck it on Bird like this. Bird, Nightingale, and then Spike. So that's Bird Over the Valley. And the hardest trick is Nightingale to Bird the other way. So you can't land it on Spike. That's the really advanced trick to do. So you can make it to inward whirlwind like this. Like this. There. And that's Bird Over the Valley. So I hope you get this trick. It's really intermediate. So I wanted to make sure you guys really learn Bird, Nightingale, and Spike. So this is a trick called Nightingale. And that's it. Hope you enjoy the video. Make sure, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you'll always be notified. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video. Bye.